Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get candy corn fast and grow a garden game of Roblox new Halloween event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have joined the game, and if you want to get the candy corn, you can fill this cauldron. You can submit all your fruits to the NPC, and then he will give you candy corn after you can reach 100%. And the amount of the candy corn will depend on the score right here. So I recommend you to submit as much as you can, and you will get candy corn as reward. And then you'll be able to use the candy corn to buy something from the spooky market. Okay, wait guys, I'm going to harvest my plants, and then I'm going to submit it to the witch. And you can also get candy corn from the jack-o'-lantern, but you can only submit the jack-o'-lantern plant to the jack-o'-lantern. But to get the candy corn faster, I recommend you to keep filling this cauldron with the fruits you have because it's easier and faster. As you can see, I got 36 candy corn and also the other rewards. And this jack-o'-lantern will visit the garden every 2 hours. So yeah, you need to wait for 2 hours to meet this jack-o'-lantern. And you can only submit jack-o'-lantern plant or crop to this NPC. Okay, and after you get the candy corn, you can buy something from this spooky market or Halloween market. Okay, and you can buy carrot as well. Okay, and this is my balance, my candy corn balance. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get the candy corn fast and grow a garden Halloween event update. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.